I'm going to show you a really easy shortcut you can use to quickly insert a bulleted or numbered list into your document. This comes in handy when you don't want to interrupt your writing flow to find the different list options on the ribbon. To start a bulleted list, type an asterisk, then just tap the spacebar and begin typing your text. Starting a numbered list isn't much different. Type a number 1, followed by a period, and press the spacebar. As you add to your list, Word will continue numbering each point automatically. You can also use this shortcut to insert other list formats, like lettered and Roman numeral lists. Give this shortcut a try next time your document needs a list.